Hello and welcome back everyone. I hope that you're all having a magnificent day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video guys, we're actually going to be unboxing the Cocotique beauty subscription for the month of February. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this month's Cocotique box, stay tuned. If you're not familiar with Cocotique, it is a monthly beauty and lifestyle subscription box which specializes in women of color. Each month you will receive between 5 and 8 deluxe or full-size items, and these items range from anywhere from beauty, skincare, or hair care. Now the cost of this box is $25 per month and shipping is included in that $25. Now with that said, let's go ahead and dive into this box. When you receive your box each month, it's just shipped in a brown box like this. And inside of the box, the items are packaged inside of a bag like so. Now this is something that they just started doing in the last couple of months. Prior to this, the items were packaged inside of a white box with a gold design on it. So anyway, let's go ahead and pull the bag out. Oh, it's kind of heavy. And the bag says, "Self-care is my superpower," and then Cocotique down there. Inside of the bag, we receive a card, and this card this month says all about love. Happy February and month of love, Cocoa Bells. This month, I've curated everything you need to pamper and beautify yourself from head to toe. There's everything from a beautiful fragrance to one of my favorite body washes and body creams. I promise your skin will be silky soft and deliciously scented. In honor of this love-filled month, I'll share with you one of my favorite quotes from Rumi. Wherever you are and whatever you do, be in love. I hope you enjoy all your beauty treats and you fall in love with them as I did. Sending you all love and light, Dana Hill Robinson, founder and CEO. Okay. Then on the back of here is a listing of all the products that will be inside of this month's bag. So let's go ahead and start pulling these out. The first thing I'm pulling out is, it looks like a sample size of Cocoa Butter and Biotin two-step hair mask from Palmer's. So these are one-time use products, and the value of this is $2.39. The next item I've just pulled out is another card. It looks like a coupon for 20% off of Vitabath. It's just a coupon code there. Don't know if you guys need that for anything. All right. All right, so the next item I'm pulling out is actually from Vitabath, and it is a Lavender Chamomile body wash, and that's what that looks like. And this is 1 ounce. Let's see if I can smell this. I can smell it through the safety seal actually. It smells kind of strong. Can definitely smell the lavender in here. This would be the perfect size to just throw in my bag when I travel, so I'm excited to get this. Now the full size of this is 10 ounces and this is 1 ounce. The full size retails for $8.99, and since this is 1 ounce, this is probably about 90 cents, $1, somewhere in that ballpark. But like I said, this is great to have just to throw in a bag to travel. The next thing I'm pulling out is a little card with 2 Curology samples, a little cleanser and a moisturizer, and they're like 0.1 ounce. So just a one-time use thing. They have included Curology in previous bags. I'm not too familiar with them. I did get some products from them that I actually passed on to my daughter, and I know she just signed up for Curology to get her own customized skincare routine. So I'll be curious to see how that works. But anyway, these are 2 little samples that you pretty much will get 1 use out of. And since this is not on the price list, I believe this is just a little extra bonus in the bag. There's also another little product from Curology in here, and these are Sugar Fina. We're spreading sweet, sweet love to the Curology community. Whether you're a bear hugger, side hugger, or non-hugger, someday you'll come around. These grape flavored sugar-free gummies are an instant squeeze for your soul. So I guess they're just some little gummies. Okay. Nice, I guess. All right, I guess I'll try them. The next thing I'm pulling out of the bag is from Securi Face. And this says 60-second gentle exfoliates and cleanses. Suitable for all skin types. So I'm assuming this is some kind of exfoliator. Let's see if they have any information on the card. Okay, it says Securi Face Mineral Micro Exfoliator. An ergonomic glass lens with mineral silica abrasive surface for face hydro microdermabrasion the revolutionary Hydro Microdermabrasion that does not require any gel or cream and can provide visible results after first use. Huh, okay. It says the full size of this retails for $35. I'm pretty sure this is not full size. I'm not sure what full size would be, so I'll have to look that up. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open because I'm curious to see what it looks like. That's what that looks like. It's literally feels like a piece of glass. That's really different, really strange. I'm gonna have to do some more research on this before I try it. I've never heard of this and I've never seen anything quite like this. So I'll have to check it out a little bit more in detail before I decide to put this on my face. But anyway, all right. The next item I'm pulling out of the bag is from Palmer's, and it's Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Conditioner. Instant moisture and softness. All right. This is a full size, definitely. And on the directions, it says, after shampooing with Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula, cocoa butter and biotin shampoo, apply generously to wet hair. For thick, coarse hair or dry, itchy scalp, apply all over hair, including scalp. And then it says, leave on for up to 6 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Okay, so this will be a product that I'll pass on to my daughter who has natural hair, and she absolutely loves getting these kind of products. And she's found many products in this subscription that she loves. So hopefully she'll like this just as much. And the next one I'm pulling out is also from Palmer's, and it's the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Leave-In Conditioner. And this is also a full size, it's 8.5 ounces. And with this, it says, spray product throughout towel dried or damp hair, comb through to ends to coat hair with conditioning proteins, and do not rinse. So like I said, this is a leave-in conditioner. I'm curious, let's smell this. Spray it on my hand right here. It smells really good. You can smell the cocoa butter in it. It smells really nice. Most of Palmer's products do though. Let me go back and smell this since I smelled that. Again, you can smell the cocoa butter here. It smells really nice and refreshing. Okay. So let's see. The price of these were the Palmer's Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Conditioner is $7.99. And the leave-in conditioner is $6.99. All right, on to the next item. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is from Specific Beauty, and it is Dark Spot Corrector Pads. And for this, it says, after cleansing, sweep treatment pad gently over face, avoiding the eye area. Follow with intensive skin brightening serum and moisturizer. So these pads are designed to brighten and even out your skin tone. I have something similar to this from another brand, so I'm not going to open this, but there are 90 pads in here, and I believe that this is full size. Let me check for you. This is full size, guys, and this is valued at $57. All right, the next thing I'm pulling out is, I should have guessed it, it's the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Cocoa Butter and Biotin Shampoo. So they gave us the whole set, the shampoo, the conditioner that you rinse out, and then they gave a leave-in conditioner as well. So this is really nice that they gave you all three products. And the price of the shampoo is $7.99. Again, I'm going to smell this real quick. This doesn't have too much of a smell at all to it to me, but okay. I'm really liking this bag so far. All right, we still have a few more items in here, so let's keep going. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter and Biotin Shine Glaze Serum. It says locks in moisture and adds a shiny finish to dry hair, and it's color safe. And it just says apply a small amount into palms and smooth through damp or dry hair, distributing evenly. Style as desired. So again, yet another product to go along with that. I'm really impressed with the bag so far this month. Like I said, all of these products will just be passed on to my daughter. The next item I'm pulling out of here is from Floor & Bee, and it's Rose and Shine Refreshing Rose Water Toner. And that's what that looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. I'm excited for this. I love rose water toners. I'm currently using one now. This is what that looks like. And it says, give your skin the ultimate refreshment with our 100% natural rose water toner. It will remove dirt and oil while minimizing the appearance of pores. And it says, after cleansing, spritz onto your face for a morning and nightly refresh. Use before a serum or moisturizer. I just want to smell this. See if it... Oh, it smells really good. You can smell the roses. I know some people don't like the smell of roses, but I absolutely love it. And I'm super excited for this. Super, super excited. This will definitely be getting some good use. This is full size, 2 ounces, and the price of this is $18. And the next thing I'm pulling out of here is from Michel Germain, Paris. I hope I pronounced that right. And it looks like the name of it is Sexual Paris. You guys can see it for yourself. Hope you can see that. All right, and this looks like a perfume. Let me look. Yes, it is a perfume. Let's see what this smells like. Let me just pop a little bit of it. It's pretty nice. It's not bad at all. I actually kind of like that. It smells really kind of flirty and sexy. I really like this. All right, a new scent for me to try out. See how hubby likes this. All right, guys, there's one last item in the bag, and that also is from Vitabath, and it is Lavender Chamomile Body Cream. And this is 1 ounce as well. Let me open it up and see what it smells like. That's the texture of the hand cream there. Has a pretty light smell to it, but nice. Yeah, nice little light scent. And that goes along nicely with the body wash that they included as well. Another thing you can either throw in your handbag or throw right in your travel bag. So the full size of this body cream is a $9.99, and this is 1 ounce. So it's valued at like $1.24, $1.25, somewhere in that ballpark. All right, guys, so that was the last item in the bag. And I must say that this month's bag was a really, really nice bag to me. I think there's some really great products in this month's subscription box. So real quick, I'm just gonna go ahead and recap everything that came in the bag, and then I'll give you a total for this month's box. We got the Specific Beauty Dark Spot Corrector Pads, which were valued at $57. We got the Vitabath 1 ounce body wash, which was valued at 89 cents. We got the Vitabath body cream, which is valued at $1.24. We got the Florby Rose Water, which is valued at $18. Again, this is full size. We got the perfume here, which full size is $105, but it says 0.15 ounces is valued at $30. This doesn't have a size on it, but I'm assuming that's about right. So I'm gonna go ahead and say this is $30. And then we got this Security Face exfoliator, and I did look this up on Amazon, and this is a full size from what I'm seeing. So this is valued at $35. And then next, we got the one-time use 2-step hair mask, which is valued at $2.39. And then we got the Palmer's shampoo, which was $7.99. We got the Palmer's conditioner, which is also $7.99. We got the Palmer's leave-in conditioner, which is $6.99. And we got the Palmer's Shine Glaze Serum, which is $6.79. And we also got these 2 little bonus items as well, the little Curology samples and the Curology gummy samples. So the total value of the box for this month, guys, was a whopping $174.28. Now, I've been receiving Cocotique for over a year now, I believe, and this is the highest value box that we've received, and the products in here I think are really good products, and all of the products are things that will get used. Now, the only thing I'm a little iffy about is that exfoliator, which I'll have to do a little bit more research on before I put it on my face, but everything else in this box will be put to good use. My daughter will get all the hair care products, and the other products I will use. Well, anyway, guys, that's everything that came in this month's box. Let me know down in the description box below if you received Cocotique and what you thought about the items that came in this month's box. If you don't receive Cocotique but you'd like some more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link to them down in the description box below. As always, guys, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.